Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject Accommodation Operations 1, Subject Code C303, Chapter 2, Laundry Operations. The content of this objective is to know the flowchart of guest laundry. So in this session, we are going to see the process and the flowchart how to go about guest laundry. This is the actual content flow chart of handling guest laundry. First of all, we should know what to mean by valet service, how to handle guest laundry in five-star hotels. It is extremely responsible job which should be carried out by the laundry employee. To and fro transfer of good guest laundry, valet service, collect the soil guest laundry placed by the guest in the laundry bag along with the laundry list. So whenever guest room attendant are cleaning the guest rooms, they normally keep laundry bag and the laundry slip in a particular drawer in the cupboard. So whenever guest require to send their linen for laundering purpose, which is actually called valet service in a laundry language. So he fill that slip and he keep all their clothes in the bag and which can be collected by the laundry person. So they verify the content of the laundry bag against the laundry list. So while collecting all the guest laundry, the person should ensure that how many linen he has collected or she has collected from the guest, and in front of the guest or in the presence of guest, he should or she should verify uh, all the linen and all the uniforms and all the material which is given by the guest. So there won't be any query or any doubt later on that one shirt is missing or one trouser is missing or one of the cloth is missing. So in the presence of guest, the laundry person should count each and every linen and then take the signature. If they do not match, the guest is requested by the valet to rectify the mistakes. If sometimes what happens, the guest has given a particular shirt or a trouser, and when deliveries happen in the guest room, so there is a discrepancy and there is a deviation in the form of to match the cloth or to match the linen. So one shirt is missing or one trouser is missing. So how to rectify that mistakes? So that's why it is extremely important to fill that laundry sheet properly and to verify all the linen in front of the guest. Valet are also responsible for returning the laundry back to the guest according to the guest request. So, as soon as you receive the information or request from the guest for laundry purpose, you have to collect it properly. You have to give it to your laundry department. You have to count all the linen, take the necessary signature on the laundry slip, and then send it for the laundry department. So while giving it back to your guest, again ensure that the same laundry slip should be there and all the linen should be kept as per the laundry list and should be counted one by one. Cover it with the fresh cloth and keep it in a proper tray and then go and deliver to your guest. The usual laundry service for in-house guests is referred to as normal service and entails laundry being collected from guests before 10 a.m. and being returned by evening. There is a specific time which has been given by the laundry department. Between that stipulated time, guests can give their linen and they can collect. Before that and after that, linen is not allowed to delivered in the guest rooms or to collect from the guest rooms. So this information has been briefed by the guest room attendant as well as by the laundry person to the guest. So guests will not face any problems while giving the laundry in the laundry department. On weekends, weekdays specifically, there are no additional charges for the service apart from the rates specified on the laundry list. So on Sundays and holidays, the normal service is charged as 25% extra. Especially on weekdays, the policy of each and every hotel has uh, policies are different. So as per their policy, they normally works, or it functions. So maybe they can charge 25% extra on weekdays. So it has to be informed by the guest room attendant as well as laundry person to the guest that on specific days or weekdays we normally charge extra. So these are our policies. So hotels also have a provision for an express service which takes about 2 to 3 hours. Some of the guests are always in hurry and they want to go and they want to check out early ASAP. So in this situation, they if they want to launder their clothes, so they can go for express service, which takes minimum 2 to 3 hours. And normal laundry will take 7 to 8 hours. But in express checkout, all the uniforms and all the linen would be washed easily and fast, and all the process will be done quickly as per the request of the guest. But it has different charges as compared with normal washing. Guests are usually charged 50% extra or double the list rates for express checkout. Like I have mentioned, the rates will not be same for both the services. Yes, absolutely, they will charge extra for express service, and because it's a very quick service, and people are involved into that process, and they work very hard to provide such kind of services to their guests. So for that hard work and for that dedication, guests are usually charged 50% extra or double the list rest for express service. You can see this is the sample of hotel laundry list. This slip to be kept in the guest room in a particular drawer with laundry bag. So whenever guests want to see the charges or the rates for each item or each material in the guest rooms, so they can easily go through this laundry list. You can see name of the guest has been printed over here, then date, then room number, special instructions, then laundry to be returned by today, tomorrow, express service, or laundry to be delivered on hanger or folded. So as per the specification which was received by the guest to the laundry person. So as per the specification or as per the guest request, the laundry should be delivered. If guest asks for hanger, then it should be in the hanger. If guest asks for in a particular tray, then it should be in a particular tray. If the guest want in folded way, then it should be in a folded way. So do not uh, never forget to ask the specification or the request from the guest. Then you can see there are so many columns. So guest count, then hotel count, then articles, then laundry charges in rupees, then ironing charges in rupees, and then final amount. So this is how laundry list works in Five-Star Hotel. Now these are the actual steps which should be followed and which are following by so many hotels as far as valet service is concerned. Guest, then laundry list. Like I mentioned, you have to keep the laundry list and the bag in the guest rooms. Then valet or GRA may collect the laundry from the guest, or valet will come and collect the laundry from the guest. Then marking and tagging, proper marking should be done and tagging should be done of each and every guest room's linen, so there won't be any mix up of any one of the linen with any other rooms. Otherwise there will be exchange of uniforms, and it may increase inconvenience for the guests, and it will also increase the headache of the employees who are working in the laundry department. So it is always better to mark all the linens as per the marking and do the tagging properly. Then examining and sorting. Then sorting has to be done properly. Color wise should be separated. White should be separated. Then how, how many shirts are having buttons and how many are not having buttons. Then trousers. So everything should be properly sorted and kept it aside. And if it requires any mending, stitching work or any rough work, it should send to the tailoring section. Then wet cleaning. If it is required wet cleaning by using detergent solutions, then it will go for a regular washing cycle. If it requires dry cleaning, only stains should be removed, only spots should be removed, then it will go for a dry cleaning. Or only pressing is required, then it will go for pressing. So after wet cleaning, sorting according to room numbers. Like I mentioned, do not mix all the linens together. Keep separately, but with the help of tagging. Then pressing is equally important. Pressing helps to remove all the creases, all the lines from your uniforms. It makes your shirts or trousers very crispy, very neat and very clean. And then valet will collect the linen once pressing has been done, and he will deliver it to the guest rooms, and bill would be sent to the front office with the help of PMS, property management system, which is already integrated with the front office section. So automatically bill will go to front office, and finally guest will get their uniforms. So this is the flow chart depicting handling of guest laundry. Before going for quiz, before going for quiz, I would like to show you one video which speaks about how to go about valet service.
Welcome to Wadhwani Foundation's Housekeeping Procedures Training. In this video, we'll learn about guest laundry service. Step 1. Preparation. Get items ready. A room service attendant should pick the required items to carry out the guest laundry service. Procedure. Step 2. Collecting. The valet must record all guest laundry calls in call register. Valet should ensure that the room number is correct and no D&D sign on before knocking the door. Knock on the door as per the standard and announce valet service. Wish the guest as per the time of the day. Get a laundry or dry clean list filled in the presence of the guest. Ensure the room number is entered correctly in the list. Check the pockets for valuables and damages in presence of the guest. Ask the guest courteously by when the laundry is required and record the same in the laundry or dry cleaning list. Any special instructions given by the guest must also be noted. At the time of leaving, check with the guest if there is anything else to be laundered. Step 3. Registering and processing. Check every piece for any damage or color fade. In case of any damage, the item has to be returned to the guest with the laundry defect slip. Tag the laundry for the processing. Process the laundry as per the standard. Step 4. Billing. Valet makes the bill and sends to front desk for bill folio, accounts and a copy to the laundry. Step 5. Delivery. Valet checks the pieces against the list before packing for delivery. Ensures that the hanger items are covered with the cover and hung in the guest laundry trolley. All folded items are placed in the basket as per the hotel standard. Undergarments are to be covered separately and placed along with other folded items. If there is a D&D sign on door and the guest is in the room, slide in the D&D card under the door with date, time and signature. If there is no D&D sign, knock on the door as per the standard and announce valet service. Enter the room if guest allows only. Wish the guest as per the time of the day. Place all hanging items in the wardrobe and the basket along with the list of clothes on the left side of the bed. Leave the room thanking the guest and wishing. Close the door for the guest. If the guest is not in the room, use the room key issued to the guest. Place the items on the hangers in the wardrobe and the basket along with the list on the left side of the bed along with a copy of the bill. In case of an outsourced laundry, the room attendant checks the occupied rooms for laundry as outsiders are not allowed to access the guest room. Collecting and processing is same as above. All laundry pieces are sent to the outsourced laundry in a returnable gate pass with all details. While collecting back, the person in charge tallies the items against gate pass along with the hotel security, who would in turn do the inward and outward entries after thorough scrutiny. Any discrepancies would be immediately brought to the notice of the laundry concerned and the executive housekeeper, who would take necessary actions. Delivery process is same as above, and it is done by the room attendant.
So this was all about valet service. I believe that you have got the idea how to go about valet service in 5-star hotel. Now next is a quiz on handling guest laundry. I will add the quiz link in the comments box in my YouTube channel. You can go and appear for the quiz, and you can see the score online once you submit the quiz. So these are the references which I have taken for the PT. And these are the websites which I have utilized for pictures, to get the pictures from the website. And finally, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.